Let me take my intro again. Hey guys. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Chanel Morris here. And Cass and I are going Christmas cookie decorating. Yes.
With Gay Lea.
Yes, at the well. So let's see how this turns out. Good morning guys, good morning. We're doing Advent vlog this year, and for this morning, this was my gift. Raheem got me this mini daily cleansing spray, brush cleansing spray from Sephora. For today, he said it's a free day, so I can basically do whatever I want. My friend invited me to a gingerbread making not a class, but like an event. So we're gonna do that, and it's at the Well, which is a new spot in Toronto. So yeah, we're gonna do that later, but I have to drop Kiara to school, so let's go. But come on, let's go. I dropped Kiara. They're out playing. Spirit of the season. Ooh. Hi, Cass. Here's a free, family-friendly, festive event that you can attend downtown Toronto. Gay Lea is hosting a shortbread pop-up event where you can decorate cookies and enjoy some holiday festivities with your family and friends. This event will run from December 5th to December 22nd at the Well. Okay guys, this is very cute. Look how beautiful this is. Like, look at all the details, and it's all shortbread cookies. Wow. And the pool, my little content babe. This is so cool. Okay, and that's where you sit and decorate your cookies and stuff. Oh, so cute. Very cute. Right here.
Yeah.
So what we'll do is we'll just make sure your piping bags have been cut. If they haven't, you're going to want to go ahead and just cut a teeny tiny, and I mean teeny tiny little hole, okay? So who here has ever used a piping bag before? Anyone?
Have I ever used?
Have you ever used a piping bag?
Yes.
Okay.
I mean, not.
It hasn't been successful.
It doesn't really have to be successfully. It's just holding a piping bag. Okay. So for those of you who've never used a piping bag, what you're going to do is you're going to hold it in the palm of your hand. So you always want to hold a piping bag like this. We're not putting gas in our car like this. To create the hearts, these are just lines of blue, and you drag your toothpick up and down.
This immersive holiday experience is also for a great cause. Every share made with hashtag Gay Lea Share Joy. Gay Lea will donate $1 to Habitat for Humanity Canada. They have a goal of raising $10,000. So go enjoy this holiday experience with your friends and family and share it online with that hashtag and help them reach their goal.
Trying to figure out how to keep trying to like set us up. Perfect.
I think you were supposed to section it, Mama.
This is what we're trying to make. I'm trying to make Patrick.
Alright.
And then the green pants with the blue.
Yeah, but you didn't section it. It's a naked Patrick.
Oh shoot.
Holidays in
Okay,
Germany.
this is how it's
So
going.
I wanted to incorporate
This is what it's
lederhosen.
supposed to be.
I'm not finished yet, but they're wearing lederhosen.
Oh my gosh, this hot chocolate is so good.
It's very beside each other here too. This is how it's turning out, guys. Look. So cute. So cute. Cass is gonna get her picture taken, and then they're gonna do a 50-50 of her face and the gingerbread. I just did mine. I'm so excited to see how it turns out. Okay, so we just decorated our freestyle cookies. This is how it's turning out. You can see that. But next, we're gonna decorate one that we can personally put in that beautiful village over there. I don't know what we're gonna do yet, but we have to make it perfect. Can we do?
That's the way I would take that.
Okay. How? I don't know, but okay.
Mary
Well,
Kate Nash should go to like New York or something.
You want to
We'll
make
take one of like their outfits and try to be creative on the movie. Or
she's very ambitious here. Okay.
Thank you.
And I'm just gonna move that.
Okay, fine. We'll do that one. We'll do that one. Let's see how that turns out. We'll do that one.
Get this table some Sharpies.
Okay. Thank you so much. So this is what we're gonna put in the village.
we have the same production as the production. Takes the photo. What timer? It's very cute.
Wait, let's do it again. Wait. 1, 2, 3. Okay, but we have to. I look crazy. I look like I am about to murder this gingerbread bag.
Okay, let's put our things in there. I don't know if I'm allowed to put there.
Us? Okay, so now we get to put our little gingerbread man on the village. Let's see. Oh, I want mine in this little house. Here? Like that?
Yeah, let me hold it. You put it.
I did it! You're so cute. I asked you to come to
Let me just get you all set up here so it looks good.
And then are you taking this one? Are you sitting here? Oh, okay, great.
I can get you set up there.
Thank you so much.
We'll do more if there's time, but just from a flow perspective. Okay, you set up here. I'll take those two over here. I'll go grab them.
Oh, I don't see red either. Well, you can make black with brown and green.
Okay, so we just finished decorating our cookies. And
That was so much fun.
Yeah.
I can't believe they let us stay and do that.
right? It was
That
so
was
much
super
fun.
sweet.
So much fun.
Thank
And
you.
check them out. Gay Lea. Check them out in the supermarket. Gay Lea. Okay, so now where is the night gonna take us?
That's where Emma and I took those photos.
You wanna take more?
Or we can go get a drink.
Okay, let's see. That's how cold it is. Okay, so we're at Pier Bar. This is in the well. We're gonna grab a drink. Well, I'm gonna grab a non-alcoholic drink because I'm not drinking right now.
She's doing apple
But
juice.
I'm gonna watch her drink. Yeah, that's the plan. Let's see how it goes. Okay guys, this is my outfit today.
It's 10 out of 10.
I hope you like it.
10 is the best word. I saw this video of Tyra Banks.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, so I just got a non-alcoholic spritz. It tastes like non-alcoholic spritz. Cheers. Guys, this was short and sweet, but this is the wrap up of day number 4 of Advent vlog. You know what's I'm loving them. Thank you for tuning in, but your girl wanna go offline right now. Love you. Press the like button and subscribe if you're new to my channel, okay? Bye.